What's good, guys? So the graphic design contest episode 9 is here, and in this episode we'll be designing a yogurt package design. In a link in the description there are details and also some mockups and images. Design a yogurt package with any of the resources in the link. The final work should be in one of the mockups in the link, and make sure to use any of the resources you like and not an external one. The contest starts today, Saturday 13th November 2021, and ends on Tuesday 16th November 2021. You can send your final work to me on Instagram or on WhatsApp. Good luck to you all.